मालदीवच्यान गल्फ देशांत वचपी वेसलाच्या चीफ इंजिनियराची भलायकी बरी नाशिल्ल्यान एमपीटी पथकाक मदती खातीर कॉल आयिल्ले. एमपीटी पथकान त्या अधिकाऱ्याक थंयच्यान सुखरूप हालोवन हॉस्पिटलांत उपचाराक धाडपाक मदत केली म्हूण म्हायती कॅप्टन जोशीन दिल्या. RTX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
See, I was approached by Benline agents. They had one vessel under their agency going from Maldives to Gulf, and the chief engineer supposed to be sick. He had some ailment. They had approached, or the rather master had sent a medical evacuation request to MRCC Mumbai. And as you know, the weather is very rough outside. Swell is more than 3 meter, 4 meters. So sending a chopper was not possible from Goa. So the Coast Guard showed their inability, in the sense the ship did not have a proper helipad also to disembark. So then we took a call. We called up the vessel inside the port limits, and then we had sent our tug, Ocean Spirit, for the rescue. Though considering the weather and all those things, it was a very risky proposition, being dark light hours, and then we have to take a call. We have to see if whatever, we have to attempt it, and by God's grace and by the professionalism of my team members, we succeeded, and we brought the sick person, and he has been sent for the further treatment to the hospital.
Sir, which hospital he has been sent?
That I have not confirmed which hospital yet, because once it is put in the ambulance, we celebrated our success, and we are hopeful that he will recover fast.